Joel Armstrong, why did you call Dave the Air Force guy a snitch? That is rude. You cannot call Dave the Air Force guy a snitch. Why did you call him that? You need to stop calling Dave the Air Force guy a snitch. You know that calling someone a snitch is not nice and it's rude. You need to stop calling Dave the Air Force guy a snitch. Listen to this video, guys.
I'm Dave the Air Force guy. If you're watching this, I hate you for getting me hate. You little 4-year-old snitch. Ha ha ha. Triggers, bro.
Joel Armstrong. Are you kidding me? You need to stop calling Dave the Air Force guy a snitch. You know that is not nice and it's rude. So do not call Dave the Air Force guy a snitch. And I'm also making another angry message to vekidonkeykiko. And look at what vekidonkeykiko said to Gaming Master. Vekidonkeykiko, you need to stop saying that to Gaming Master. Look, this is rude. And it's not nice. Vekidonkeykiko, are you serious right now? You need to stop telling Gaming Master that. Look at this, guys. Vekidonkeykiko, you need to stop saying that to Gaming Master right now. Gaming Master rules, and Gaming Master is my best friend. Vekidonkeykiko, you need to stop saying that to Gaming Master. This is not nice at all. Look. Vekidonkeykiko, you need to stop calling Gaming Master that right now. You need to stop saying this to Gaming Master. Really, Vekidonkeykiko? Yeah, Vekidonkeykiko needs to stop. Vekidonkeykiko needs to stop saying this to Gaming Master. This is not nice. Look, this is not nice. And Joel Armstrong, you need to stop. You need to stop calling Dave the Air Force guy a snitch. You know that calling someone a snitch is rude. Oh my gosh. And Vekidonkeykiko, Gaming Master rules. Gaming Master does not suck. Gaming Master rules. And Gaming Master is my best friend. So Vekidonkeykiko, Vekidonkeykiko, you need to stop saying that to Gaming Master. You know this is not nice. Gaming Master rules. Well, goodbye, guys. Have a great day. And I'll see you later.